Hello students, welcome back to number system problem section. Dear students, before going to the problems, I wanted to say you few things, mainly about the place value chart of the decimal numbers. I think you know this one, place value chart of decimal numbers. So in number system we are going to solve the problems. Before going to the problem, we see the place value chart, the decimal system. So already you have studied in your 5th or 6th standard. This is the decimal. After the decimal, for example, the number is 3305.671, like this. One simple number I am taking. This is one example number. Okay. Now, so how can I write? After the decimal, this is the decimal point. After the first place is here, it is a tens. Not tens, tenth, th, tenth. Next hundredth. Here it is not starting from units, okay. After the decimal point, the place is starting from tenth. Next hundredth. Next thousandth. I think you know after that what comes. 10,000th. Like that is go. TH will come here. This side we have to see which place comes first. First coming is a unit place, 10th place, 100th place. So first one is a unit. After the decimal point, unit place will not come. It starts from 10th, 100th, 1000th, like that it will go. This is the unit. This is the next tens here, not two. Here hundreds, thousands, like that it will go. This value is, you know, what is the unit place value? Unit place value is always 1. Here it is 10, here it is 100, next 1000, like that. What about this place value? This is 1 by 10, not 10, 1 by 10. After the decimal point, the value of 10th place is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, you must know this one. Why I am saying this one? Afterwards you will understand. Okay, so this much you must know. Okay, please you remember. Okay, next we are going for the problem section. Base value chart is not there in your syllabus. It's already you are completed in your smaller classes. Just recall that memory. That's all. Okay, now our question is, we have to write the given question in P by Q form or fractional form. We are given a decimal form question. We have to write that question in terms of P by Q or the fractional form. Simple one question is given. For example, I take 217. Write in the fractional form. Yeah, you know, 2 is a whole number. This is after the decimal point, how many places are there, you have to see. So 2 is as it is. Now this one you write in the numerator. You know this one, you have studied, means it's not directly writing, it's like this actually. This is a whole number, we are writing in the mixed fraction. This is a whole number. Now I have to divide in the middle. 2 numbers are there, so 2 zeros we have to put in the denominator. What is there in the numerator, that we have to write in the numerator. Actually, while it is converting to the improper fraction, it becomes 100 into 2, 200 plus 17, 217 divided by 100. Directly also you can write 217 together, you can write. That's left to you, which is easy, that one you can do. Next, one more simple question I take. 3.071. Okay, same, 3 is there here. 1, 2, 3 are there. 1, 2, 3. Here 071. 071 means nothing but it is 71. If you return 0, no problem, it's not wrong. If you not return 0, also not wrong. Okay. So while it is converting to the improper, it becomes 3071 divided by 1000. Is 3071 divided by how many zeros are there, how many digits are there. You have to see 3 digits, that 3 zeros together come in the denominator. This is simple question. You are converting to the fractional form. For example, one big question in this we will take 3.142678. Yeah. Now try to write yourself. Write yourself. Take your pencil and start in the rough code. The students, while you are listening this video, don't sit empty with the empty hands. Please take your one rough book and pencil or pen. While I am explaining few problems you can do after one problem, next problem you also solve with me. Okay, that is good to understand. If it is wrong, you can correct yourself. That's that time only. Okay, now 3 comes here. Okay, now count many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So don't count this one. 6 means 6 zeros must come. Okay, not including the 1. 6 zeros must come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Now numerator you have to write this one. 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. If you want to convert, you can convert easily. Directly together you have to write it, all the numbers. 3, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8 divided by 1 lakh. Not 1 lakh. 10 lakh. I think you understood this. How to convert simple questions to the fractional form or P by Q form. This one you have studied already in your previous classes. Now what we are going to study, that is a new topic. That is also converting the given number in the form of P by Q or fractional form only. Okay, we shall see the problem. Show that students, show that 0.3333 so on. Same 333 only continues. This one in the form of P by Q or in the fractional form. Fractional form. Okay, what to do? See, this is a non-terminating number. Non-terminating number means it will not end, and it is a recurring number. When it is a non-terminating number and recurring number, it is a rational number. You know that one. Irrational means what? It is non-terminating and not recurring. Not recurring, non-terminating numbers only are irrational number. If it is a terminating or non-terminating recurring number, then it is a rational number. So it's a rational number. So instead of writing like this 3333, we can write in the short form, that is which number is repeating here. Upon that we can put small bar. Understood? Which number is repeating? Here 3 is repeating. So upon 3 I can put small bar. It says what? It says 3 is repeating continuously. It will not stop. Okay. This is the short form of writing. Okay. Now, but to convert this one, we have to take this one as some unknown. I will take let x equal to 0.333 so on. You can take no problem. So on. Okay. Now after, before the point any number is there means no problem, nothing, you neglect, no problem. As it is, you can write. You have to see here, you have to look at after the point, after the decimal point, which number is there, which number is repeating, that you have to observe. See, now first number is 3 itself, 3 only repeating everywhere, is it? So first number is 3 means this is the place 10th, is the 10th place. So we are going to multiply, first number is repeating means 10, second number means first and second together is 100, third number means 1000, that you will come to know afterwards. I will solve each type of unknown problem. Now multiply by 10, multiply by 10 both sides, just both sides. Okay, now multiply by this 10x, this becomes 10 into 0.333 so on. While multiplying, what happened means if I multiply by 10, 1 0 means one digit will jump this side, That becomes 3.333 so on. One digit will jump this side. If I multiply by 10, one digit will jump. If I multiply by 100, two digit will jump. But it is yes. First digit number only repeating means you have to multiply by 10 itself, not by 100. Okay, now that. Now I'll write once again down again. 3.333 so on. Now this is the first one we have taken. This is what we got second one. Now subtract 2 minus 1. If I subtracted this one, then x equal to 3.333 so on, and this one x equal to 0.333 so on. 10 minus this is 1, 9x. Now 3.00 means 0. Now I write here 9x equal to 3 we got. So x equal to 3 by 9 we got. So 3 ones are 3 3's are, so x equal to 1 by 3 we got. This is the fractional form of this number. I think you understood. If you are not understood, you will solve one more problem. It is slightly different from this. So it's easy. In your reader, it's given in different way. Instead of that, this method is easy. Okay, go for next one. Okay, we will take one more question. Show that 1.272727 so on. Write in the p by q form or fractional form. So as I said 1 point, how can I write the short way? Which number is repeating? Here number repeating is 27. So upon 27 you have to put 1, not for 7 or not for 1. Both the numbers are repeating. So 27, 27, 27. So upon 27 you have to put 1. Okay. Now let next step x equal to 1 point. Don't think about this. This nothing you have to do. It remains same at till the end. 27, 27, so on. Okay, this is a x. Now I said you have to see first number is repeating. No, not first single number is repeating. First two numbers are repeating. I said when two numbers are repeating, by 100 we have to multiply. When first number is repeating, only first number is repeating 10. Both the numbers are repeating 100. Okay, so multiply by 100 both the sides. Okay, now what happens next? Next 100x equal to 100 into 1.2727 so on. Okay, 100x equal to, while multiplying this one, what happens? I said this remains same, this will not change. 2 zeros you multiplied, so 2 digits will jump this side. 2 zeros you multiplied, so 2 digits will jump this side. So 127. Remaining that side only. That will be repeating. Okay. So I'll write here 127.2727 so on. This is the equation number 2. What we have taken here, this is the equation number 1. Okay. Now 2 minus 1, it is 100x equal to 127.2727. Next, x equal to, don't write 1 here in the unit place. Remember, this is unit. Don't write 1 here now in the unit place. Next, 2727 so on. After the decimal, always it will be same. So after the decimal, always it will come 0 only. 7 minus 1 is 6. 2, 1. Here 100 minus 1. How much? 99x, don't leave x, remember to write x. Okay, now x equal to, this will come down and here, x equal to 126 divided by 99. It is possible you divide. If you know the table, always in maths you have to leave the answer in the simplest form. That is good. If it feels difficult, you can leave, but this number will go in 9. 9 11s are 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12, 3 remains 36. 36 means 4. So the fractional form is 14 divided by 11. 14 divided by 11. So understood, I think. This is a fractional form. It is little different. There, that time we have taken, in the last problem we have taken only one number is repeating. Here two number is repeating. Next we will see some other problem. Next one, show that 0.23235 35 so on. So in the fractional form. See, now just observe, this is slightly different. See, 0.2, this is a different number. Next repeated is 35 means 2 is not related to this, is it? So while writing here 0.2 you have to write first, because 2 is not repeated. 235 is not repeated, just 2 is left out, then 35 is repeated. So upon 35 we have to put bar. If you put bar for 2, it is wrong. Upon 35 we have to put bar. Understood? So repeating number is this. So here there is a slight work is there. Okay, while converting we have to do one step is extra. So I'll take this number, let any unknown you take. It's not compulsory you have to take x itself. You can take any alphabets but small letters. That's all. 0.23535 so on. Okay. So now you just observe. Now first number is not repeated. The second and third number is repeated. So first we have to bring this one here. Okay. Here one single number is there. No, that one we have to bring here, because that is not repeated. So it is separate number. So separate number first we have to bring here. So separate number means it is there in the 10th place. So we have to multiply by 10. I think you understood. See, that time I have given 0.333. First number itself repeated, so multiply by 100. Next time I have given some, next question is what? 27. So both the numbers are repeated. Is it? Both the numbers are repeated. So extra number was not there. But here you see, second and third number is repeated and continuously it's gone. But this number it is not repeated. So first I have to move this number this side. To move this number this side, I have to multiply by 10. Why? Because it is there in the 10th place. So this one step is extra here. Multiply by 10. Both sides. Okay. Now you see 10x here 10 into 0.23535 so on. So it becomes 10 number I have multiplied. So one number will jump this side. Like this. Understood? For example, if it is 1.23 means here 1 will remain. 1.23. For example, the question is like this. 35. While multiplying, this will jump here. Means 1, 2. Understood? Now it is 0, so it is only 2. Okay. Now this becomes 10x equal to 2.3535 so on. Now not this one is a first equation. Now this one is a first equation. Last two we are taking. We see now next one not finished. Repeated number we have to bring this side. Till there we have to do. Understood? Which numbers are repeating? Those numbers should come this side. Till there we have to multiply. Of course you have to leave. Now I have to multiply. These two numbers are repeated. Is it? So these two numbers means while taking, I cannot take a one number. I have to take these three numbers also. Next step, till here I will take. Understood? Because 3 5 is repeated. 5 where 5 is ending, till there I have to take from the starting. From you can ask once we have taken this one. Yes, once you have taken, but once again also you have to count this one. Now how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So we have to multiply now once again. Multiply by 1000. 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1000. Okay? To both sides. Yes. I multiply 1000x is equal to 1000 into original question you have to take, not this one, change question. This one step is finished. Now again don't take this question here. You have to take the original question. 0.23535 so on. Okay? This while multiplying this becomes 1000x is equal to 3 digits will 3 zeros are there, 3 digits will jump this side. Like this. Now this is the equation number 2. See, last two we have to take, not the first one. That time only 2 steps was there, so 2 we are taking, this and this. Now there are last 2 steps, this one and this 2. Those are the equations. First one we have to take. Okay, now subtract 2 minus 1. Okay, 100x minus 2 equal to 235 so on. As 10x equal to 2 comes here I said, write properly, the places are very important. This up to the point 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. This is 3. This is 2. Okay, x this is 0. 9. Sorry, not 100. It's 1000. 1000. So 980. Now x equal to 233 divided by 990 is fractional form. Understood? 230. Yeah, 230. This cannot simplify, so it is a final answer. Okay, I think you understood this one. Now next, this type of problems are over. If you have any doubt, you can ask, no problem. Now next, this. Next, we have tried some irrational number between two given fractional number. For example, 1 by 7 is given and 2 by 7 is given. These are two fractional numbers. In between these both irrational numbers comes that we have tried. You have solved like this problem. First you have to convert this one to the decimal expansion, both the numbers. So I am dividing to convert decimal expansion. 1 belong to 0, 1. Take point 2, 0, 7 1s are 7, 3, 30, 7 4s are 28. So 6, 60, 7 9s are 63, 7 8s are 56. It will not finish because it is not terminating number. So few digits you take, afterwards enough. Is 45 is enough. It will continue. Next we'll take one more number, 2 by 7. 7 and 2. Yeah. 7 2s are 14. 6. not going 60, 7 8s are 56, 4 30, 7 5s are 35. Next again 5 50, 7 7s are 49. Enough. You continue this one. Okay. Now the number is, first one is 0.1485, 0.2857. In between what numbers comes, everything you write and leave. 0.1485 after any number you can write 1567 like this. 0.187, any number, but it must come in between this, that's all. 0.2031, any number you can write, no problem. 0.21111, 0.256. How many numbers you want? Lot of numbers you will get. So this is the one more problem. These are the irrational number. Irrational numbers means what? Irrational number means number must be a non-terminating number. Number must be a non-terminating number and not recurring. Should not repeat. Not recurring number. That is a irrational number. Rational means number must be terminating also okay, non-terminating also okay, but it must be recurring. When it is non-terminating, that time it must repeat. That is a rational. When it's terminating, no problem. Means it will end, no problem. Those are the rational numbers. So this is today's lesson. Okay, thank you. Who are not subscribed this, please subscribe, and if you like the video, give the like. Thank you.